Imagine you're staring down a massive EF3 tornado the size of a city block as it carves a path of destruction heading straight towards you. But what if the ground was on fire and that tornado was a rotating vortex of fire and smoke with winds strong enough to wrap a steel gas pipe around an oak tree? Well, you don't have to imagine. They're called fire tornadoes, an extreme fire weather phenomenon as rare as a unicorn. Now, if you walked outside those doors and you saw a unicorn just standing there, you'd probably think to yourself, what did that Starbucks barista put in my drink this morning? And if you saw another one, maybe you'd wonder, where are all these unicorns coming from? Well, in the last 3 years, there have been 6 confirmed fire tornadoes. It's an alarming trend, but sadly no surprise. Climate change is causing our wildfires to burn hotter and more intense than ever before, resulting in more extreme cases of fire behavior. But the problem is, we have no idea how or where they're most likely to strike. So the solution is we need to observe a fire tornado up close and personal. And that's exactly what I did on August 16th, 2021 at the Dixie Fire. So using a mobile weather Doppler radar, I captured the formation and evolution of not 1, but 2 fire tornadoes as the fire cascaded down the lee side of a mountain. But as this was happening, I had to ask myself, what was causing the rotation in the first place? So I remembered what I saw. Number 1, the fire was burning so hot that it forced air into the atmosphere, creating a fire-induced thunderstorm known as a pyrocumulonimbus cloud. And number 2, the terrain was incredibly steep, tilting the flame of the fire and allowing more air to directly fuel it, but also causing other mechanical eddies or twists and turbulence that could have induced this rotation. So using this data I collected, I sliced the vortices in half, revealing their inner dynamics, but also how the pyrocumulonimbus cloud and terrain helped to induce the rotation and cause these smoke plumes to rotate in the first place. So my results are promising, but I'm only halfway there. The next step is to use state-of-the-art wildfire models to simulate this event and identify exactly what was causing it, so we can apply it to future cases of fire tornadoes. So with my project, I hope to close our knowledge gap and bring us one day closer to finally predicting these unicorns of fire weather. Thank you.
Reimagine your future with a graduate degree from San Jose State University. Located in the San Francisco Bay Area and ranked #1 most transformative university by Money Magazine, San Jose State offers more than 100 high-impact advanced degree programs. You can conduct hands-on research in oceanography or wildfire science, develop new occupational therapies for human wellness, create cutting-edge digital media art, and so much more. Start designing the future you want today. Explore your options at sjsu.edu/graduate programs.
This competition gave me those tools such as how to present yourself, how your body movements make the audience think about your words.
A lot of grad students don't have this opportunity, and so this is a great privilege.
This experience was actually one of the most eye-opening experiences I've had at San Jose State because it allowed me to just understanding the breadth of work that's happening at SJSU. It's opened my mind.
It was very difficult to judge. There were 10 amazing presentations, and each of them was so different, and they each had their own strengths.
It's not easy to get your scholarship down to a 3-minute presentation like that. And so you have to start out of the gate very strong, and you have to hook the audience on something interesting about your topic, why it's important, why we should care.
It's not enough to have your ideas hidden in a research paper in a library somewhere. You have to get it out into the public so that people understand the value of the research that's going on. So we're developing activities like the Grad Slam as a way of helping students achieve that skill set.
Having this opportunity is going to help me so much when I eventually have to defend my thesis.
I would love it for our industry neighbors to participate in Grad Slam in a variety of ways. Perhaps they could serve as sponsors, perhaps they could send people to serve as judges. We would love them to attend. This is a great way for them to see some of the talent that's emanating from San Jose State University.
That moment of hearing your name get called, it's wonderful. All of the hard labor that I put into this come to fruition.